We see changes in the data in all graph, table, and map questions. And change is also a common word in task 1. For example, in this question. Instead of replacing the word, we can change the structure. Here we have used the population changed. Then the phrase, the population showed a change or experienced a change. The third way is to start with there were, or we can use passive voice. Changes were observed or recorded. Then we have some synonyms of the word change, but understand their exact meaning and use them accordingly with care. Evolve means slow change over time. Here we have change in population over 200 years. So we can say the population distribution evolved over time. Transform means major overall change. We should use this only when there is a big change. For example, here we can say the demography of New York City transformed over 2 centuries. Alter usually means that someone caused the change. When population patterns change, it is an organic change. No one person is altering or changing things. So it is usually better to avoid this word in task 1.